Um, Turning on the machine but for Bluetooth version is different from the USB version. First, I teach you how to do it. First, turn on the machine, and then keep pressing this red button to turn on the tablet PC. It is the process of turning on the machine. Please wait seconds.
三亮，这个机器是可以直接进入蓝牙吧？直接进入主屏幕吧？我不用动吧？
这个不用动了，对。这就是跳到那个键了。
You don't need to press any button in the screen, just waiting. It will go to the main page of SEC automatically. When you turn off the machine, please press shut down first, and then turn off the machine.